Slowly bring your right arm to the left of the camera, very, very close to the camera. You notice that there is something inside your eye that's annoying you. Start blinking your eye, and then move your eye up and down and around. That's it, up and down and around again. What's inside your eye is really annoying you. You keep on blinking. Now start feeling your eye with your fingers, trying to find what's inside, always looking into the lens. Use both hands and feel around your eye. Blink your eye some more. Now open it and freeze. Something comes out of your eye, and you realize that it is a wasp. Cut down quickly. Stay still. The wasp is right in front of the lens. Stay down and try to catch it with your hand. Do not stand up. Keep on trying to grab the flying wasp with your hand. Right and left. Faster, faster. Again. Grab it. That's it. Don't stop. Try to grab it. Again and again. Suddenly, the wasp has disappeared. Stand up and look around for the wasp. Look high and low. Keep on moving your head and torso. Sharp and fast, because you can hear it but you can't see it. Turn around. Look up. Look down. Look behind you. Be sharp. Don't stop. That's it. The wasp is coming towards your face. Start pushing it away with your hand. Move your hand. Fast around your face. Move around. In circles. Push it away. It's in front of your face. Push. Push. Again. Again. Faster. Faster. Now use your elbow. Circle your elbow. Around and around. Constantly. Keep at it. That's good. Go around yourself and keep on pushing with your elbow. Move fast. As fast as you can. You bend down to time. The wasp is right in front of the lens. You jump up and catch it with your armpit. Stop. Move your shoulder up and down in all directions. Faster and faster. Keep on wriggling. Do not let go of the wasp. Engage your shoulder. Up and down and around. Sharp jerks. That's it. Sharper. Sharper. Put your other hand into your armpit and grab the wasp. Got it in your hand. Be brave. Snatch your hand out of your armpit. The wasp begins to move inside your hand. Slowly stretch your arm towards the hand. Slowly, slowly. Start moving your arm around in front of your face and body. Make circles, big circles. The wasp moving in your hand makes you move fast. Up and down, in and out. Move around yourself, every way you want. Stand still. Face the camera. Clap your hands. Look at them. Slowly, slowly, bring your hands towards your mouth. Now, eat the wasp. Walk back slowly against the wall. The wasp is now moving in your stomach. Feel the wasp inside. Put your hands on your stomach. Now, stand still.